Today you will learn how to do a basic braid.
If you want a star, you be the one I'm searching for. All the girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like there remains something you got. It's pretty.
Welcome back to another video. I am Kiki Sweets and I am the owner of Bougie Babies. I also work for Bougie Babies Beauty. In today's video, you'll learn how to do a basic braid. Let's jump right in. You want to make sure that your client is fully detangled, and you want to make sure that you have a hair tie on hand depending on your client's hair texture. After you make sure that your client is fully detangled and you can go straight through like this without any snags, that's how you know the hair is fully detangled. We're going to do one basic braid. All right, so you need 3 strands. The remainder of the video will be a voiceover. Take 2 fingers, stick them down the middle, and then that's how you create your 2 sections. You take your right section, you pull it over to the middle section, creating a new middle section. Then you take your left section and you pull it over to the new middle section, which creates a new middle. Like that. Then you take the right and you come over again. And then you take the left and you come over again. You have to repeat these steps in order to get the desired braid you want. Repeat these steps over and over until you complete the braid. Don't be afraid to smooth the hair out at the end as you go along so you can create a smoother braid. You can also use beeswax or a little braid jam to tame the flyaways. We've completed our braid, and if you feel like you didn't get it right the first time, all you have to do is rewind and do it all over again, and I guarantee you will get it. If you are interested in learning how to cornrow, you can find an ebook on bougiebabiesbeauty.com. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
These girls ain't got nothing.